Welcome everyone to our video on high time frame power of 3. You can find this indicator right here. You search up this name or go to Thomas's Tradingview account. What does it do? It shows a big candle, as you can see on the right of your screen, which is not the same time frame as the time frame you choose. That's the nice thing of it. You can, for example, change it to 4 hours and you will see the 4-hour candle on the 15-minute chart. You have to change them to the same time frame, these two settings. You also need to have a nice proportion between your time frame and the candle. I would recommend, like, if you're trading on the 5-minute, you use the 4-hour candle. If you trade on the 1 hour or the 30-minute chart, I would recommend the 1-day candle. And if you are trading on 1 minute or lower, I would recommend the 1-hour candle. So we now have the 4-hour candle. It's already 2 hours going, and you see it's getting quite big. So most coins, they swing like a pendulum, up, down, up, down. So if your indicator or your other indicator or your intuition, because I would not recommend using this indicator alone. If your other indicator or intuition says to go short on this one, I would say it's a good one because the candle is already quite big on the 4-hour candle. So we can change now to 15 minutes, for example, and then choose a higher time frame. Ta-da. Same as here. If your other indicator or your intuition says to go short right now, I would say that's a good one because you can see the 1-day candle is getting really big and most coins swing like a pendulum right across some middle point. We can do the same on Forex. Yeah, we can choose maybe 1 minute and choose then 1 hour because it's a nice proportion then. So the 1-hour candle is getting quite big to the bottom. So if your intuition or other indicator that you use says to go long, right here, I would say that's a good guess because you see it swings like a pendulum. The 1-hour candle is getting quite big, so you can expect it to go up one time or another. So I would say here to go long. It's not good to use it on its own, but it's good as a confirmation with your intuition or another indicator that you like. So, if you have questions about this one, you can ask them in the comments or on our Discord, which is in the link on our channel. And yeah, thanks for listening.